All right, we got a very bad news. Fire gutted market in Abuja, Kaura Market, located opposite the Prince and Princess Estate in Abuja, has been gutted by fire. It has been happening. Igbo businesses has been targeted. You left Igbo. We are not wondering and thinking so many things. You don't have to blame us. I know Igbo people never participated in End Bad Governance protest that took place by 1st of August. Yes, but right now, as you can see, every market in Nigeria, be it in the north, in the west, or in the south, 70% of the occupants of that market they are Igbo people. Yes, be it in Akure, be it in Oshobo, be it in Kano, Sokoto, Maduguri, Lagos, anywhere you can think of, anywhere on this planet Earth in Nigeria, you have a market. Igbo people are 70% in number. You can recall that most of the markets in Lagos was on fire for some time. Many of them, Igbo business have been targeted in every angle. Okay, we remember that Igbos never participated in any bad governance in Nigeria that took place 1st of August. They have their reasons. Igbos are targeted in every angle, in every corner, in every side of the country. They are being targeted. Thank God they never participated, because they would have been shot. Many of them would have been shot to death. Even what happened in NSAS, which they never participated, still they were accused of being the organizer and also the major people, the major players involved. This protest that just finished, even though that the Igbos never participated or even planned it or organized it, they were still being accused of being the perpetrators. But we leave everything like that. We are our ears on ground. But this burning of markets is a direct attack. I can take it to be a direct attack, because those businesses is worth millions of dollars. Yes, out of 40 shops in that market, I know for sure that Igbos own over 30 of those shops. It is a very plain fact. Take it or you leave it. The spokesperson for the Federal Capital Territory Emergency Management Department, Nkechi Issa, said that she could not cite the incident. She is not aware of the incident, but she's going to give an update as soon as she gets indication. But right now, as I speak to you, when the fire started, the fire service was called. They were called. The police were called. Up to the moment that the fire raised everything down, the fire service did not come. Invariably, they came thereabout when everything is almost over. You know, it puts us into thinking that we are the target of these guys. We have not done anything wrong to anyone, of anybody. We do our business in peace. Anywhere we go, we buy our shops, we rent, and we buy. We don't snatch shops. We don't take over shops. We pay money. We pay our hard-earned money. I am saying it openly because everyone can testify based on what I've just said. We don't go to any land and we start taking up lands that does not belong to us, or shops or buildings. We always approach things in a normal way, and we buy. Either we buy or we rent. That is what we do. And we always have patience to do our business until we grow. We don't make noise. We're always very, very, very cordial and disciplined, because business is all about money. And we don't like to lose money, because we grow money and we develop wherever we go. So enough of Igbo businesses being targeted or being burnt by any group of persons or or hoodlums, you may call them. It could be arranged, because why should it be that fire service was called for a serious issue? They wouldn't come. When do they do their businesses if they cannot come to quench a fire, on an ordinary fire that they can handle within 2 or 3 hours? They refuse to come. that leaves us nothing but to think that we are being targeted and our business are being targeted. I cannot keep repeating this because the government is not doing anything to caution those people, all those mad idiots that are involved in this and in this act. They should stop. I have been saying it. Nobody is saying anything. Maybe tomorrow I will say something that maybe they wouldn't want to hear. They will start to make noise because I have said it several times. Igbo businesses are being targeted. Businesses are being burnt, destroyed. Markets are being burnt, destroyed. Federal government are not doing anything. They are not doing anything. They are not doing anything. Before you will call somebody, start accusing somebody. Before anything happens, there must be something. No smoke without fire. Do you get me? So we have been saying it. We have pleaded to federal government to come and address these issues, but they keep mute. They don't want to talk. I don't know if they are supporting them, but enough is enough. I keep saying it. Don't push us. Do not push us. We are not looking for trouble. We are not into trouble. We do only our business to take care of our families. Do not push us. Leave us alone. Be in your government. Be your governor and your president and your vice president. We are not struggling for that. We are always doing our businesses and we do it with our own money. Nobody gives us incentives, no grant, no credit. We suffer ourselves to do our business, to buy our things. We rent our shops. We develop the place. So whoever is going to talk that we have done something wrong now should come up and tell us. We have not gone to any land and we leave the place like that. Wherever we go, we put electricity, we fix the roads, we build houses, and we do so many other things that government refuse to do for their people. We are doing it, Igbo people. We are doing it. And those places we go, they should appreciate us. I live in abroad. Do you get my point? And wherever you live in abroad, you buy a house, you are paying your tax. The indigenes are happy that you are paying your tax and they are doing your businesses peacefully. And they will never attack you. They will even appreciate you more for coming to develop, for coming to invest. Someone who comes to invest in your land, has he done anything wrong? Something like Chevron, Shell, they came to invest in your land. Yes, if they abide by the rules, they have not done anything wrong. Instead, they have created opportunities. Those shops there, we are not going to be there alone. We hire secretaries, we hire store managers, we hire cleaners, and we hire everything. This is money going out of our pocket, out of our purse, out of our business. Some people will be very daft. They will not remember that we have come to develop and to improve the people around there. Bringing development is government duty, not individuals. Though, yes, individuals can get involved, but infrastructure should be for government. Something like electricity. But when we go doing our business, we fix all these things without looking at government. Where have we gone wrong? Where have we offended people? Why should our market be burnt? Why should our business be burnt all the time? Go to Lagos, go to North, go everywhere. It's only our businesses, and we are not attacking anybody. We have not gone to we are not raising cows, bringing cows into somebody's farm to eat it up. We don't do that. We come, we rent a shop, we build a house, we build a mall. Where have we done wrong? I don't get it. Federal government should come and intervene into this case. Do not push us. People are pushing us too much. They should not push us. This is what I can say for this moment. Please subscribe to my YouTube and follow me on Facebook and give me your thoughts and comments. Thank you.